You know what's in here?
Yeah.
What's in here?
Terrorsaurus.
Terrorsaurus? Who's Terrorsaurus?
I don't know.
Yeah, well, if you don't know, no one knows. Well, hi guys. Today we are opening Terrorsaurus, otherwise known as Terrorsaur. Maybe Terrorsaurus is a new variant I haven't heard of. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, this is Transart Terrorsaur, I think. We got them in the Josie packaging still.
We have a lot of Transformers that need to open.
Yeah, we still have another bunch of Transformers to unbox, even from Christmas.
If you look
I know
over,
some of you would be disgusted by that. Probably most of you are. For a very good reason.
Yeah. And if you look over, we have all these packages.
Yeah, they can't look over. We don't have one of those fancy cameras that moves every time the watchers want it to move.
Yeah.
Can you even see me? Yeah, okay.
I wish we had like a thing that can like move. Like,
Well, when you're our age or my age, you can have some fancy live streams.
Can I pop one?
And you see, Josie does an excellent job of packaging their stuff. They had that outer package that's waterproof, and they have bubble wrap. And then there's the box for the box.
Then ask Mama if she wants.
No. Mama's busy, and plus we have a video to make. Look.
Oh yeah.
They don't want to see me, they want to see you. And they put corner protectors on even. Just indestructible way of packaging. I love Josie. Their prices are great. The shipping is fast. Shipping is secure. I've never been not dinged for customs, not even once with Josie. And here's what we first see when we open the box.
I want to see.
Whoa! And there it comes out of hail.
That's cool, right?
So the G-04 Air King, otherwise known as Terrorsaur. The Josie site said it was made by Transart, so I don't know if Metagate is a like a subdivision of Transart, because they do that a lot. The Chinese companies, they kind of change their names up for certain lines of stuff. Let's see, there's a little card in here. I don't know if this is a Josie thing. Dinobot slash.
Boo.
What boo?
I don't know.
Oh, it's just join our Discord community. Anyway.
Are you gonna join?
Yeah, maybe.
Don't.
I don't use Discord other than for gaming, really. Now close the super sharp knife for now.
Don't do anything.
Alright, let's take out Terrorsaur. You gonna be okay? Wow. First look, he looks awesome.
He looks awesome, but awful. Just joking. He looks awesome.
Maybe one day he'll be funny.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe one day.
So we'll see, he comes with a stand, some guns. Wow, I'm blown away by how good he looks. He looks like he might be a little big compared to the Beast Wars line from other
But he's not
manufacturers.
He's not bigger than the leader.
No, it looks like he's still shorter than Megatron.
Yeah.
Beast Wars Megatron, but it looks like he's way taller than Optimus Primal.
Yeah. In the action shows, actually.
Is he?
Yeah. Yeah. This is my favorite weapon, the one that just dropped on the ground.
Oh, those are different faces. Alright, so here he is. Looks like he's not really attached here right now. I don't know what the story is of that. Maybe he's just putting a certain method away for packaging purposes. I'm gonna get Optimus Prime. I'll show you the side by side. So this is a knockoff, but a very good knockoff of Optimus Primal. Maybe it's pretty accurate.
Go get Megatron. Or not Megatron, Beast Wars Megatron. I need to get Snap.
Hale, wait till the video's over, please, buddy.
Okay.
You know we're live. Well, not live, we're recording, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well then please wait.
What's that part? It looks cool.
Please don't knock that over.
What?
Our unboxings here are completely unedited because
They're
both from me having a lack of ability and a lack of time.
He's way bigger.
Yeah, maybe the scale is actually pretty good. Let's see here. Optimus Primal. Oh, good catch.
Oh my gosh, that wouldn't happen.
We don't have them on the graded surface here.
No, we don't.
There's Terrorsaur, and there's Megatron, held by Hale. Yeah, anyways, back to the stand for you guys. And we'll focus more on Terrorsaur again. And as mentioned before, here's, I have no idea what this is. Some sort of weapon. Looks like it hinges or something. I don't know, maybe that attaches to him. I don't remember too much from the show what that's all about. There is an instruction manual behind me, which would probably help me out. And here's, looks like a stand for when he's in flight mode or his dinosaur mode, beast mode.
Want this?
Thank you. And there's a weapon. He looks like he has his arm cannons here. Well, maybe not. And here's the instruction manual.
That I gave to you?
Yep, that Hale gave to me. I really don't know how I'm gonna think, what I'm gonna think of the instruction manual until I start,
Making it?
yeah, start actually transforming. Oh, and he does have shoulder. He does have shoulder cannons according to the instruction manual here. If you look at number 30. I don't know where they are exactly from where I'm looking here. Oh, maybe it's this breaks apart. Comes apart, I should say. Not breaks apart. Yeah, I think that's exactly what it is. Oh yeah, there they are. You okay? So those will clip into his somethings here. Yeah, here we go.
Something. Oh, the instructions fell.
Thanks, Hale.
What do you want? Oh, wait. I'll put this back in the box. Okay.
Sure. Where's the other one? So we gotta turn these, but they're pretty difficult to turn with your bare hands, I find. Maybe you just need to...
I like this part.
Oh, Megatron?
Yeah. You mean Beast Wars Megatron?
Well, he is just called Megatron, too. Oh, okay, it'll be easier if I just do this first. If I plug it in, then go to rotate it.
The spots kind of look like a tiger.
Yeah, they do. We'll show you the spots on the back look just like the show. Like he's an amazing looking figure. His neck looks a little wonky right now, but maybe just, I don't think he's properly transformed. He's just something in packaging in a certain way. Ay, ay, ay. All right. There's the shoulder cannons. Pretty cool. Really good articulation as per. Yeah, even.
Wait, Dad, I feel like.
Not separate fingers, it's one big finger articulation, and his thumb is separate from his fingers.
I feel like I have another version of him, like a toy.
Whoops, I got him flipped up again. Again, he probably clicks in. I just don't. Yeah, he will click in. He just needs to be put together properly, not like when he's in his package.
Well.
I think I may have just done that now.
Oh.
Yeah, that looks better. But his head is still a little wonky.
This guy's...
Anyway, he looks a little better there in the back with the hiding some of the bot bits. I don't know if it's supposed to be up like this. I didn't look closely enough at the figure yet. But, yeah, hopefully that's been recording the whole time. Otherwise, it's a huge waste of time. But yeah, there's Terrorsaur in his robot mode.
This is not really good balance for this.
I will now pause the video and I will transform him for you guys to see what he looks like in beast mode.
I'll just be outside, okay, Dada?
You don't want to do the transformation this time?
What transformation?
To beast mode.
You can do it. I'll just be outside playing with Mama because I promised her.
Oh, okay. You can't break promises, right?
No.
That'd be a bad idea.
See ya.
Hale says see ya. Okay, see you guys soon.